the centre is finalising a major incentive programme worth 16,000 crore rupees to encourage domestic production of critical construction equipment, including tunnel boring machines, cranes and earth movers, in an effort to reduce import reliance and strengthen India's infrastructure development drive. According to officials, interministerial consultations are underway and the scheme is expected to be launched in the next fiscal year. The initiative is designed to ease supply bottlenecks, promote indigenization, and ensure timely availability of equipment for large-scale infrastructure projects. Industry experts note that India currently imports nearly half of its construction and mining equipment components, mainly from China, Japan, South Korea, and Germany. This dependence on overseas suppliers often creates supply-side challenges, especially during global disruptions. The construction equipment industry grew 3% in FY25, supported by exports, but reported a 1% decline in domestic sales in the first quarter. Industry leaders argue that incentivizing local manufacturing is essential to build a stronger ecosystem, particularly as India embarks on ambitious projects such as metro expansions, bullet train corridors, mega port developments, and high-speed road networks. Analysts estimate that the localization level of the sector, currently below 50%, could rise to 70 to 80% over the next 5 to 7 years. This transition could create a $25 billion domestic market, generate savings of about $3 billion annually in foreign exchange, and support long-term resilience against price and supply fluctuations. Much of the advanced equipment, including hydraulics, specialized rigs, undercarriages and electronic control units, continues to be sourced from abroad. To address delays and cost pressures, engineering and procurement companies are optimizing existing fleets, entering into closer partnerships with vendors, and incorporating risk-sharing clauses into contracts. Sector stakeholders have also called for a production-linked incentive (PLI) scheme tailored for heavy equipment manufacturing, similar to those introduced in electronics and automobiles. As part of its infrastructure roadmap, India aims to quadruple port capacity by 2047, expand high-speed road networks to 200,000 kilometers, add new rapid rail and metro corridors, and advance bullet train projects. These initiatives are expected to sharply raise demand for indigenized construction machinery, making domestic capacity building a strategic priority.